Hello, folks, and welcome to another edition of your Mad Metrology Minute. And this is Joe with Precision Calibration and Repair. As you can see, I'm doing a John. There we go. I will post the number below as well, 281-209-9000. I have in front of me a Mitutoyo SJ210 profilometer. Now, there is a current model that's a little different now. I forget what it's called, but this is the most popular one. You can see in the back here, you have the charging port. There's a little on-off switch to where if you're not using it for a while, you might want to turn it off to save the battery, internal battery. There's also a micro SD card in there where you can save. Okay, there's your drive unit. The purple is your drive unit, and this is your detector. Okay, this is, in my opinion, one of the best, if not the best, profilometer to have in your shop, mainly because it has so many different options. There's your power button, start button, page button for different features. Options such as availability of different detectors for different jobs, whether it be a deep bore, maybe you have you need a smaller head, just so many different options, and of course the screen itself. Okay, this is the standard it comes with us, your roughness specimen. This particular one is looks like a 118 RA micro inch. So what we want to do here is we're going to put the SJ210 right over it, make contact. They do come with this exactly what you see here, the roughness specimen and a little holder for it. Okay, I'm doing a run here. So you can see the detector moving backwards. And on the screen, you also get a graphic of the roughness as well. Okay, and there's our result, 120.38. The SJ210 has a plus or minus of 3%. Now let's say we want to make it a little tighter. What I want you to do here is go to the menu button. You see here, calibration measure. That's where we go to calibration measure. And then we're going to, in its essence, calibrate it. We make it a little tighter. Okay, the first thing you'll see is our standard is 118. Make sure that top number matches the roughness standard that you have. If it doesn't, change it to match. So now we're doing another run. And once it completes, we're going to hit the red update button. Okay, we got a 120.8, so we're like still within 3%, but let's make it a little tighter. We hit this red update button. There we are. Now it's been updated. Now, when we go back to do our measurement, it's going to be a little tighter. And if you want it even tighter, just do the procedure over again. This will make it tighter, but again, this SJ210 is plus or minus 3%. Plus or minus 3%. Okay. And I believe the current model, you know what, I just don't remember offhand, but there is a current model. It's a little bit more refined. Okay, here we go, 116.7. So it's a little bit tighter. But again, if you wanted to get it even tighter, just repeat the steps. And you can see some of the options here. We can go to parameters if you wanted to go from RA, which is roughness average. There's so many different parameters you can choose from, as you can see there. RZ, RQ, whatever you may need. That's what's nice about this SJ210. Beautiful color screen, by the way. Date. You can also change the drive depending upon the type of unit you have. Now, This is approximately 2-inch opening here on this pipe. This is actually a ball rocket launcher. So what if I wanted to get in there? Look at that. It's a little too snug. Now they do sell an extension that extends about 2 inches that you could plug into the your SJ210. But here's where some of the magic really happens. All you do is unplug it here, and the SJ210 comes with an extension. The extension is 42 inches long. Just plug it in there. I think you may start to see what we're doing here. Plug the other end to the unit itself. Now, look at this. Now your unit becomes more versatile. Just put it in the pipe. Put it in the pipe. So it just really adds quite a bit of, and the extension comes with all SJ210 purchases, and I'm sure the current model also comes with extension as well. All right, here we go. Now understand that this is a very rough. This is not really a good example of why you would need a profilometer, but this is just something I had in the garage. We use this to shoot our bottle rockets during some of the holidays, such as 4th of July, New Year's. There you go. You see how rough that is. 183. But the point is, it works. It works. And all you do, you unplug. It just plugs right in there, and you just take your unit out, and you just unplug again, plug back in. So it's very versatile. But once you get it plugged in, just snap it in. Backside first, it snaps in, and this is how easy it is to remove your detectors. So if you need to change them, it's simple. They just snap right in there. That's it. But again, give us a contact. I'd love to quote one for you, or if you need any help with one. We also do certification on them. We do some repair on them as well. But hey, thanks for joining.